Hi, I am so excited that it is the 1 year anniversary of the release of my book. Hi, it's me, God. Do you know my name? The book is a guide to peace and transformation and restoration through the gift that Jesus Christ has given to us. And that gift is for us to be in God's kingdom right now while we're here on earth and forevermore. The book gives you an opportunity to really understand who God is. It reveals his character to us through the names that show us exactly who God is in our lives. I put my email address in the back of the book so that I could get messages from people once they have finished reading it to understand what it has meant to them. And I've been overwhelmed with joy with messages from people saying that this book was exactly what they needed during one of the toughest times in their lives. I got messages from people saying that they really wanted to understand how to seek God for a loved one who was critically ill, and now they know the steps to be able to reach out and to seek God and to seek his guidance for health and healing for their family. And I've also received messages from people saying that they've been reunited with God and back in a relationship after being apart from him for so many years. If you want to do something special for someone that you love, you can get my book. You can even ship it right to their house through Amazon. I'll put the link below. But if you know someone in your life who is trying to start off 2025 in a new way and they want to seek a new life for themselves and God is the answer for them, order my book and send it to them, and it would be the best Valentine's Day they've ever had. Thank you all so much. I can't wait to hear more of the testimonies and all the ways that God is shaping and transforming all of your lives. Just can't wait to hear it. And I hope you have a very blessed day. Thank you.